northbound, A1 Quebec. Okay, are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Good, we're leaving anyway. Right here, which is the intercoastal, you can see it's got all these little finger waterways coming out to allow for a lot more boat parking, harbor, pier area. You're coming over Del Rey Beach. This large mansion on the left that kind of looks like a museum here with the pool and the statues in front of it there. That's Oprah Winfrey's old house.
Oh, really?
Yep. This is the Boynton Beach Inlet, the deadliest inlet in southern Florida here. It's all man-made, so you can see how narrow it is, and you can see the current just whipping out of there. These houses are really cool because you have the main mansion on the that side of the street, then you have the little beach house here. And there's actually a tunnel that goes from the beach house to the main house. So there you can see it in the empty lot. So they don't even have to cross the street to get to the beach.
That's tough life.
Yeah. This island on the left, this is the Hypoluxo Island. The city of Manalapan is a very exclusive city, very wealthy. This house has mirrored swimming pools in the front yard and backyard. Here's the O Resort, the Ritz-Carlton. As we come inland here, you have the Del Rey Tennis Center. Just on our right, you can see the little stadium. Then you have the different types of tennis courts around it. And as we come in here, you can see the airport, the control tower, the runway, which we're pretty much coming in sideways to and ignoring because we're a helicopter and we're cool like that. Right across from us is the FAU Stadium where the Owls play. You enjoy it?
I did.
Good.